Hi, I'm just at my laundry and I have some thoughts that occurred to me. I am always trying to see where is waste in the plant, and yeah, I see much waste, much things to optimize. And one thing that I just saw was that we spent quite a lot of time in changing programs on the tunnel washer, at the ironer and stuff. And this is a huge waste. With this in mind, I went to discounter, Aldi, and I think it's also in the States now. Next cashier opened, so there was a sound. Cashier number 2 is open. I was rushing to the cashier, and of course I was second because a woman was faster. But then I was curious, how long does it take him to open up the cashier? Because normally it takes a few seconds, maybe a minute almost, and you wait and wait and wait. But he went with a chip, with a transponder tag, put it to the cash machine, and immediately with the other hand he grabbed already the first item of the first customer and scanned it. It was faster than he could sit down. So he was, during his sitting down on the chair, he was already up and running. That's benchmark. Yeah. And I think we should also consider this in the laundry. I've built a laundry 2012, and it was for nursing homes with a capacity of 14 tons a day, something like this. Yeah. Capacity was a little bit more. So we did the flat linen for 150 nursing homes there in 2 shifts. And the idea was that we reduce the cycle time, so the change of programs, for instance, in the ironer. And of course, there are different types of feeders to the ironer. And with one type of feeder that is very productive and very fast, and you're very proud that you get lots of volume. But when you change between small items and large items, then it takes a time until the conveyor belt lifts in the right position and the clamps go down, and when you switch from large items to smaller items, it's the other way around, and you lose much time. And it really bothered me when we set up this laundry because we wanted to have a very fast throughput. So the idea was that we have no soil sorting in this case, and we did the sorting on the clean side, and it was very fast. We had a very small item list, and we just sorted into 2 or 3 different categories for full dry, and then in 2 categories for small pieces and large pieces, and we just put them in trolleys, and they were just behind the one or two persons sorting. We had 4 trolleys between the sorting and the ironer, and they had always to change between small items and large items. And therefore we had decided to have a less productive ironer, but one that really switches immediately between large and small items. And it was a huge productive department. We did 65 kilograms per operator hour, which is 150 pounds per operator hour, or 145 or something, after 2 years, after we have optimized everything. And this with a throughput time from opening the container on the soil side to the closing of the container on the clean side. The linen was out in the delivery area in 4 hours. So we saved also a lot of linen injection, and was a great success story for us. And everything without robotics. So it was 150 pounds per operator hour with very conventional means. And we did this, amongst other things, with lean management. And one part of lean management is decrease throughput time and decrease also cycle time. And this comes from Toyota. Toyota calls this method, single minute exchange of die, so SMED. And it comes from the automotive industry, where you have the dies where you press the different parts of the car, and the exchange of these dies took hours, sometimes even days. So they didn't care so much about the optimization of the changing of the dies. They just cared about the productivity when it was working. So when it was working, of course, then bam, 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 bam. But the exchange of these dies was terribly long. And Toyota said, okay, this is crazy, because then you build up lots of inventory afterwards. And they wanted to reduce inventory, lean management. And therefore, they said they want to reduce it to single minute exchange of dies, so down below 10 minutes. It was an effort to reduce like in Formula One, in racing, to reduce the exchange of the dies below 10 minutes. And they did it. And then they said, okay, we want to use this opportunity to change the dies every hour or every half an hour. And so they reduced, they made the production much leaner, much less inventory downstream of the press, and much better production. And I think we, as a laundry industry, we should think of doing the same. And in this case, I would not call it SMED, single minute exchange of die. So we have already a single minute exchange of program, but we exchange it so much that it's a real headache. And what we should try is to have single seconds exchange of program, like the cashier on the supermarket, on the discounter. Yeah. So take this in mind, the best practice that we already implemented. And yeah, we have just bought the company last year, and we are now increasing productivity, and this is one part that we will improve. Yeah. See you.